Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is Monday, May 26, 2015. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in today. So what you're going to see here is that we have the futures trading down about 5 points to 2,119 and a quarter per contract. It looks like right now we're flip-flopping here between 5 points lower and 5.5 points lower. But either way you slice or dice it, markets did come off of the lows this morning, and now they're starting to retreat again. So it's going to be a very, very important Monday, and we'll see how this market sets up. But I should say a Tuesday. Markets were closed yesterday for the holiday. But either way, this is going to be a very, very important trading day to see how the market's set up for the rest of the week. We have some stocks in the news today. I think that's going to be very, very important. Also, you have a couple of Fed speakers out there today. You're going to have Vice Chairman Fisher speaking, and I believe we have another Fed head speaking as well. So again, we're going to get a lot of Fed talk today, but right now the markets are under a little bit of pressure, and this should be noted before the opening bell. All right, let's take a look at some stocks in the news. First one we want to start off with is TWC, which is Time Warner Cable. You're going to see the stock is kind of flying high. It looks like the deal is complete here. Charter Communications is going to buy Time Warner. So if you are looking to own it up here, do not do anything. If you own it, trail your stop loss. That's the best you could do with this name at this point in time. If you take a look at Charter, you're going to see that Charter has already started to roll over a little bit. Stock now is still positive on the session, but it has come way off the morning highs. A stock that could benefit today in sympathy to the takeover is Cablevision. That ticker symbol is CVC. And right now you can see that's at 26.50, pretty much at the highs of the day. I don't think this is going a lot higher from here, but either way, Cablevision is going to be the next target from what the chatter is out there on the street for a cable takeover. So we'll see how that plays out. I'm not sure what to really make of it, but either way, that is the big news today. Let's take a look at some other stocks in the news. C-Trip, CTRP, looks like that stock is getting a little bit of a lift here due to the fact that Priceline has bought more shares in the company. So that news is out that Priceline has taken a bigger stake in the company, and C-Trip is trading higher. Let's take a look at First Solar. I did not see the news on this, but I do see that the stock is trading lower this morning. So that is worth noting. Right now, First Solar is trading at $52.82. Stock closed at $55.07. I'm going to have some gap levels for this one this morning. So come on over, take a 7-day free trial to that intraday stock chat. You'll see the gap levels posted at 9 a.m. But we will have this and another one or two more stocks as gap plays this morning. But First Solar will be on our radar today. Let's take a look at another one here, which is Tata Motors, Indian automaker. The stock is trading right now at $39.21, closed at $41.17. So Tata is trading a little bit lower this morning. We'll have gap levels for this as well. Again, come on over, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. You get all of those levels. You'll see everything that we're doing so far. We've had a marvelous 2015. Let's take a look at AutoZone. I believe they had earnings. Stock right now is all over the map. You can see here it's trading at $690.90. It was trading at $700 briefly. I wouldn't do much with AutoZone right now. The only level that kind of interests me would be around 669, maybe 670, somewhere down there. If it got there, I think that could be a scalp bounce. Scalp is nothing more than a quick day trade, lasting between 10 and 30 minutes, sometimes 10 minutes and an hour. But again, until that stock gets down to 669, there's really not much to do there. You do have some stocks on a Goldman Sachs, move to the Goldman Sachs conviction buy list. Right now it looks like LB is one of the names here. Ticker symbol is LB, and that is L Brands. Stock right now is trading at around, it looks like $89. It closed at $87.46. So that is one name out there. And we'll just see how it plays out really going forward. I'm not looking to do anything with LB at the moment, but we'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at Dollar General. That's also added to Goldman Sachs conviction buy list. Stock is trading near the $75 level. It closed around $73.56. Should be a lot of resistance around 77 and a quarter to 77.50. I don't know if it's going to trade that high though, but we'll have to wait and see. It looks like we have gold down today. So gold futures are down $16.80. If you take a look at the GLD, you'll see that gold is getting hit on the back of a stronger U.S. dollar today. Gold, the GLD trading around 113.96. It closed at 115.60. That's a pretty good hit for gold. That means gold miners are likely to come under pressure as well. Take a look at stocks like Gold Corp. You can see they are trading lower. If you take a look at AEM, which is Agnico Eagle Mines, you can see that is trading lower this morning as well. So gold and gold miners both trading down, but gold futures are getting hit because of the stronger dollar. Problems are coming out of Europe. We are seeing a Greece timetable expiring. They're going to have to come up with a debt payment very, very soon. But either way, slice or dice it. Good action in the dollar to the upside today. I do think the dollar has probably good resistance around the 98 level, but still, nonetheless, that is higher from where it is trading right now. So we'll see how that plays out. Oil futures are down 84 cents. Again, stronger dollar definitely hurting crude oil. Spot crude right now is trading at $58.86. If we take a look at the USO this morning, you're going to see that the USO is trading at $19.90 a share. This closed at $20.25 a share on Friday. So good little dip in gold, good little dip in oil, and it's all on the back of the stronger dollar. Again, we'll see what this market brings, but right now the futures are sliding further. They're down over 6 3/4 points now. So we'll see how this market plays out once the opening bell rings. Right now, market's under a slight bit of pressure, and we'll see if that continues. But either way, if we get volatility, we get good trading action. So come on over, take the 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat, and you'll see everything that we will be doing this morning. With that being said, everybody have a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.